Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to create this progress bar in PowerPoint using VBA in 6 simple steps. So you don't need to create macros or anything like that. You just need to run a simple script and you can create a simple progress bar within seconds. So let's get to it. First thing you will need is you will need to enable this developer menu in your toolbar. If you have this enabled, good, but if not, the way to enable this is right click anywhere on the menu items that you have. So things like home, insert, draw, design, just right click anywhere there and you will get this small menu. Click on customize the ribbon. Then you will have this dialog box open on the right hand side. Just scroll down to locate developer and just check this box. Then click OK. That'll add developer menu in this custom toolbar strip or ribbon. You will need to add this progress bar once you have finished with your presentation. So if you still have some work to do, just finish that. And only once you are done, run this script. So assuming you have your presentation finalized, just make a copy of your file. We don't want to be making any changes to the original, so just save that somewhere else. We will only run this progress bar script on the duplicate of your presentation. Next step is you will need to enable a couple of settings under macro security. By default, they would be disabled for security reasons. In our case, it's a simple script, so we can just enable this by clicking on macro security under developer menu. Then select this enable all macros button and check this box called trust access to VBA project object model. And once you run the script, you can just revert these settings back to the original position, but you will need to enable these in order to run this simple script. So once you have selected these two options, click OK. Step 3, you will have to click Visual Basic button under developer menu. It will open a separate window like this. On the left hand side, you should see your VBA project with the file name in brackets. If you have multiple PowerPoint files open, you will see multiple entries here. So just select the file name in which you would like to add the progress bar. Next step is while your file is selected on the left hand side, go to insert, click on module. It will add a module inside of your project file. Step 5 is you will need to copy this script and paste that on the right hand side. Just a disclaimer that I have used AI to generate this script. It's a simple script. We have a function that adds the progress bar. So we are declaring a bunch of variables here. Next, we loop through all the slides. We run a calculation of our progress bar. Then we add a gray bar for the background of our progress bar. So that's here. And this is where we add our progress bar. In our case, I have made this a blue color bar, but you can change this color to any other color. So just copy this script as is and paste it on the right hand side. And for the last step, click on run and click on this first option, or you can just hit F5 on your keyboard and that should run the script. If everything has gone well, you should see this progress bar being added on all the slides, including the first slide. In terms of customization, I'm assuming most of you are from a non-technical background, so I only want to mention a limited customization options for this script. So it's the same script that you saw earlier. I would recommend you only edit these 3 settings. One is you can edit the height of your progress bar, because a lot of times you might not have a lot of space at the bottom. So if you want to reduce this to say 5, you can do that here. Just put in 5 here before you run the script. Or if you have more space, you want your progress bar to be prominent, you can increase this. This is where you can specify the background bar color. Right now it's set to a light gray, but you can change this to any other color. And finally, this is where you can change the foreground bar color. In our case, it's set to a blue color. You can change this to any other color. Just know the RGB values and plug those in here. One last script I have is, let's say you have run the progress bar script. It has added the progress bars throughout your deck, and for some reason you want to remove them all. Go through the same process. Just copy this script and run it. It will remove all the progress bars from all the slides. Now let's see this in action. I'm in the design mode. I have my developer menu added to this custom toolbar, but let's say if it wasn't, all you have to do is right click, click on customize the ribbon. On the right hand side, locate developer, and you will just have to check this box here. Since I have this enabled, I don't need to do anything. Next, click on developer menu click on macro security, make sure enable all macros and trust access is selected. Then under the same menu, click on Visual Basic, locate your file. Since I only have one PowerPoint file open, it's simple for me. While it's selected, click on Insert, click on Module. It has added a module inside my file. Then go to this slide where we have the script, copy it, Control C, paste the script on the right hand side, Control V for the final step, click on Run and click on this first option, and voila, we have our progress bar on all the slides. You will notice at the bottom we have this progress bar. Now let's say for some reason we want to remove it. Go to this last slide, copy this script, go to Visual Basic under Developer menu, delete this existing script, paste your progress bar removal script and run this script. This time I'm just going to press F5 on my keyboard. All progress bars have been removed. Let me double check, and yes indeed, it has removed all the progress bars from the bottom. The best part is you don't need to save your presentation as a macro enabled file. Just run this in a regular PPTX file and you should be good to go. Next, let me show you how to customize this script. So let's copy the original script back in Visual Basic. So I'm going to replace this progress bar removal script with our original script. Let's change the bar height to say 15. I'm going to change this light gray color with a light green. I have the values here. So let me replace these with light green. I'm also going to label this light green for my reference. And let's replace this blue with a green color. So 0 to 55, 0. Let's call this green. And that's it. Let's run this. And there you go. We have a new progress bar that's in green and light green. Although it looks ugly, but you get the idea how to customize the script. It's pretty straightforward. Let me just remove all of that. So I'm going to remove this. And that's how easy it is to add a progress bar and customize it. So this was a quick one. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for future videos, and I will catch you next time.